So, Assalamualaikum everyone. So, right now, today we're trying to learn how to create a Flutter project in our Visual Studio Code. So, first of all, we're going to open Visual Studio Code. This is our Visual Studio Code interface. Uh, Now, what is the instruction? The instruction is please click the Control plus Shift plus P. That means we need to uh, click Control Shift P, then it will be try to found we will found this particular dialog box. So let's go. So when we're putting here Control Shift P, we found here a box. First time maybe you don't found the Flutter project, simply write here FLUTTER. If you write here Flutter, you found the Flutter new project. So simply click here, then you will find this message: could not find a Flutter SDK, please download it. Or if you already downloaded, please localate SDK. So let's go to download the SDK. If I click here, I found another message: unable to clone Flutter because Git not found. So in our project, like in our local computer, don't have Git, so that it is not capable to download it automatically. So let's go to downloaded the Git. For Windows, simply go the browser, write Git downloaded for Windows. If you click here, you found the Git install. This is the official website link. Click here. Then you need to select the OS like Windows, Mac OS, Linux. In my side, it is Windows. I found this, and we need to install the Git for Windows setup. It is the stable version. Simply click here. It will be start the downloading. It is depends on your internet connection. So right now I am not downloading because I already downloaded. In your side, try to wait until downloaded. So let's go in your side. You will find the downloaded software in your downloaded folder here, right here. And my side I was stored into software lab. Okay, this is the git bash git software. Simply double click here, then try to accept the condition permission. After that, you found this particular dialog box. Simply next here, you will find the information here. This is the file location. I'm not changing anything here. Simply click next. It is the setup process. No need to change anything here. Simply click the next, and then next, and then next. You need to put here only next. No need to change anything here. Next. After that, simply click the next, 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 and then it will be take little bit of time to installation. After that, let's try to check it is working or not. In our Ellipse, you can find the uh, GitHub installation process. You can check it in the lab plus 2 or 3, lab plus 3 maybe. All processes are here. Now I am going to installation process here. Okay. You can check here launch the git bash or something like that. And right now, we don't need to launch. So simply click here finish. After that, we need to check in our Visual Studio Code. In here, sometimes it will be not working. So if you Visual Studio Code right now not working, simply close it. After that, open your Visual Studio Code. Again, that means our Visual Studio Code is restarted. Now simply click here, Ctrl Shift P. We found the particular dialog box and click here New Project. Again, show SDK not founded. Download here, and we need to suppose actually which folder it is downloaded. Suppose the download folder. Simply click here. It will be start and download it. You can check it when you click here and go to terminal, new terminal. And previously it is okay. It will take little bit of time, like few minutes, to clone the particular Flutter SDK. After that, it will be started. You need to wait for the until complete this process. If you click here, you can check here. It is downloading in Flutter SDK. You need to wait until complete this process. In the meantime, we can also capable to install manually in the Flutter. If you have so many time, if you look like it is taking so many long time, you can also go to the Flutter Flutter download and then install it. You can found it the install manually. If we click here install manually, we can capable to download the this particular software. If you click here, it will be try to it will start and download the Flutter SDK, and then you can set in here manually. In my side, it is takes so long time because a big project here. So I'm going simply going to in here. I already downloaded the G folder. Simply click here and then extract all. You can check this is the path. Extract here. It will be takes little bit of time when you are extracting the file. It is almost 2.85 GB. This is the another way, like it is another way to download the Flutter SDK. Another way we can capable to download the manually. After that, extract this file. After that, we can set the manually, something like that. Control Shift P, create a new project, set local SDK. If I click here, we can capable to insert in manually. So for this, we need to first of all we need to extract this, and here it is extracting. Almost 1% is completed. Okay, our Git already downloaded the initial SDK Flutter. It is initially right now, so no need to add manually. Also, you can come over to add, or if your site it is downloaded already. Initial the Flutter SDK, it is taking a bit of time. In here, we can check it. It is downloading the SDK folder, engine, exporting the download achievement, PowerShell, all over the things is downloaded it. So sometimes it is take little bit of time because uh, it is depend on internet connection. In your side, if it is take so much time, you can also go to the manual process. So in our side, our terminal is downloaded perfectly, so we are not going to the manually, but you can capable to go to the manually. In here, our okay, it is also almost completed. No need to go to the manually. Only wait until complete is all over the things. Downloading all the dependencies, also running the power upgraded. updated the all the version. We are waiting for this. In here, I was also added the manual option. How can you add the manually? In here, simply download it, extract the zip folder, click the local SDK, located the SDK. After that, simply go your path, Flutter, and Beam. After that, your project will be set up perfectly. At the same time, if we download with the uh, terminal, it will be take little bit of time. After that, our project will be ready perfectly. So now it is downloading all over this dependence all of the versions. We need to check. We need to wait until complete this process. I'm making it faster. So when it is completed, I will come back again. Okay, our side. This is perfectly completed. In here, you can check it. All the process, all the version are downloaded perfectly. Now we are going to make a project. Simply click Ctrl Shift P. Found the Flutter new project. If you not found, simply write here Flutter. You found this Flutter new project. If you click here, we are going to make a application, a Flutter application with the descriptive comment and test it. You can also empty, no problem. We are going to the application here. Click here. We need to select which file you need to save it. Suppose in my side, I'm going to app demonstrator, left classes, my first Flutter apps. Okay, my this is the name. We need to put here the name. What is the name? We need to put here like test project. In my side, suppose I put here test project. Simply press the enter. You enter name and press the enter confirm. So for confirmation, I put here enter. It is take little bit of time. After that, our project will be completed. You can check here our all the Flutter configuration is created here. You can check it also the terminal. You can check here the terminal is show all the file is created perfectly. You can check it. This is the all the file we found here. This is the main file in the leave main.dart. Check it. It is perfect. So in here, this is the demo project like Flutter demo. This is some command. This is the color code. We will learn this all over the things here. So right now, if you want to run this project, like see the output, how can you check it? In the right corner, you can check here. You show the no devices, and right now, show no devices. You need to click here, and you can come over to Chrome, Edge, or Windows. In our side, we need to show the output in Chrome browser. Simply click here Chrome, then it will be added the Chrome in web JavaScript. Simply add it and in go to the leaf the main.dart and in the right corner you found the start debugging. Simply click here. It will be starting to debugging after few seconds automatically created automatically open a Chrome browser tab. It will be show our output. So Let's start. Let's waiting to open this. Okay, launching the lab main.dot from this debug mode. It will be little bit of time. It will be take little bit of time to installation. Open this project. Also, it is depend on the hardware in our computer. So until start it, we are waiting for this. Flutter. Okay, waiting to connect in the debugging service. It is take little bit of time. Okay, our project is opening. Okay, it is coming. Okay. Okay, our demo project is here. This is the Flutter demo homepage. If you click here, it will increase the pushing time. It is not look like a mobile apps like web. So if you can come over to close it, something like that, check it, or you want to open this particular Windows as a mobile view, simply click here in your mouse, right click and inspect. Go to inspect. Click the right click and inspect. After that, you can found the devices. In here, it is the toggle the devices option. If you click here, make it bigger, and first time you found it look like them. Click the devices. Simply click here. You can found the mobile option. Like I want to add with iPhone 15, 14 Pro Max. This is the mobile view option. We can capable to check our output in here. So this is how we create a project in Flutter project with the Visual Studio Code. In next, we are trying to install the Android Studio, and we are trying to create a Flutter project. You can say that why we need to uh, Android Studio. We are working with the Visual Studio Code. It is okay. Yes, but sometimes in the professional way or the industry level, we are using the Android Studio. So we need to learn also how to create the project in Android Studio. So for Android Studio, you need to download the obviously you need to download the Android Studio file. Simply click here, found it, and draw Android Studio downloaded. If you click here, you can find the Android Studio downloaded link. Click it and scroll down little bit. Scroll down in here. You can capable to download this file. For the Windows 60 bits, we are going to download this, not zip file, only exe file. You can click here. It will be show the term and condition. We have yes and download it. It will be start the download. It is take little bit of time, depends on your internet connection. It is 1.3 GB file. I already downloaded, so you need to waiting for this. I'm going to show how to install it. So in my side, I already download the Android Studio. You can if when your file is downloaded, you can check it something like that. Simply click here. You need to accept the permission. Sometimes it is take little bit of time. Android Studio is a big software. Actually, it is installing process is little bit complex, but not complex. It is take little bit of time because this is a huge project. In the backend it will be downloaded so many files. So try to make sure your internet connection is stable, and also we can you need to ensure this your folder is have so much, at least 4 GB. In my side it is it is free 9.7 GB, but you can try to minimum free in your local disk in 4 GB. minimum. In if you my recommendation is at least 10 GB. Okay, in my side it's 9 GB, no problem. Okay, it is downloaded. Okay, it is time to open it until. Okay, we need to allow the apps. After that, we found this. Simply we found this on dialog box. Simply click here next. If you in your side it is unchecked, you need to check this because Android Studio virtual device. Simply click and check it. After that, next. We'll go to this folder path. Actually, in my side, my C drive is full, so I'm going to download this file in the other devices, other disk, because in my side it is little bit bigger file. We're going to here. You can choose in your UI, no problem. I can use this and okay. Next, okay, we need to select an empty path. Simply go there and here. Can able to create like new folder. Select it. For that, next it will be started the down. It is the information what is downloaded or not. Install. After that, it is take little bit of time for installation. It is also depends on your internet connection. So my request, try to stable your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. So I'm waiting to until finish it. I am skipping this part. Okay, in our side installation completed. Simply click the next and start the Android Studio. Click here finish. Now Android Studio is open in automatically. So in our site, I close the Visual Studio Code. Okay, Android Studio is opening. You can hear some information here. I am sending note and send. Android Studio is coming here. Okay, first time we need to install some plugins. Otherwise, we are not capable to install the process. So first time in your side it will be short nothing. Here simply click the plugin, go to the marketplace. You need to put here Flutter, FLUTTER, Flutter. After that, in my side it is already installed. In your side maybe not. So you can put here install this Flutter. Simply click. You can capable and also install the Dart. In my side I already installed it. In your side it is take little bit of time, like maybe one minute, 30 seconds to 1 minute. So after that, if you check the if you check the slide, I am opening the slide, the Android Studio downloading process. Simply click here. This is the process. It is installing in first time. Installing in your side, it is show look like that. After that, we need to install. It is the all process I already added. In first time you show something like that. Welcome to Lunar Studio. In here you see only new project, not Flutter project. Simply click the plugin. After that, you can find you need to install the Dart. Simply click here Dart. After that, you need to go the next slide. You found the Flutter. If you install the Flutter, after completing, it will show the error. Restart the IDE. Simply click here, restart it, and our Android Studio automatically will restart it. After that, you found something like that. Create a new project. New project open. We need to create a new project. Simply click here. If you click here, you can found something like that. Okay. So in our side, our marketplace project. it. Simply click in my side. I'm clicking new Flutter project. In my side, the path already added. If your side, if it is not added, simply click here. Then go to your Flutter where you are already downloaded. Suppose in my side, Flutter is downloaded in the download folder. Simply click here, and then no need to go to the bin folder. Only click the Flutter and select it. After that, you can check it. The Flutter path is shown here. Next, in here you can check it. This is our project name. This is the project location. This is the project description. In here, the on important thing is organization means com.example. I'm going to slide. You can understand better. If we go to the here, we can check it. In suppose I'm going to give you a real example. We are using the RSB mobile banking apps. In here, if you check it, the particular project name is com.rsb group. This is the company name, com.rsb group, and this is the project name. Okay, in our side, it is the com.example means the organization name, and untitled means the project name. If we are making like that, if we make it the proper structure, it will be show something like that: com.example dot untitled. That means after completing the building process, it is the particular project name look like this. So if you put here, go to here, you can also change the location. Suppose I want to change the part location, the lab classes, and then I want to add a folder. Suppose I want to put a new folder. I want to go this folder. Okay, this show the new folder. You can add the description here. No need to change in Android languages. It is on by default Kotlin. You can go to select the Java, but by default we are going to Kotlin. In platform, like after completing our full project and build the project, how many platform it will be available. It is Android, iOS, Linux, Macs, web, and Windows. So many platform are allowed with single code. In our side, we are all only working with Android and iOS devices, so no need to check in other things. After that, simply click the create. Okay, our folder name is not the proper way. You can check it. The project name and folder name is automatically changes. So we need to put here the proper way. New new folder. Okay, new folder. After that, click here. Our project will be created perfectly. Creating our project. Yes. At the same time, our project is created perfectly. Look like the Visual Studio Code here. We open it, and then this is the div folder. In here we found the main.dart project. Okay, this is the folder. This is the demo project. So now, how can we run this project? Like, obviously we need to run this project. So if you want to run this project, we need to check here the devices. You can select the Chrome or Edge browser. Again, I am selecting the Chrome. Select it, and the main.dart is here. This is the main path. After that, you can click here, run or debug the mark. We are going to the run this project. Simply click here. Sorry, it will be take little bit of time. After that, our demo project will be run perfectly. It will be automatically open a new Chrome windows. Until opening it, we are waiting this. This process will be take little bit of time, also depend on your computer. the what is the hardware and software support in your computer. It depends. So in our side, it is opening in Chrome browser. Simply click here. You can make it big and small. Look like this. There is the Flutter demo homepage. If we click here, it will be perfectly working. If you want to check it, look like mobile apps. Like simply in here, simply click the right, go to inspect. You found the device option here. Simply click here and choose from here. Choose from here iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the proper way to show the output. So that's all. In this video, we are creating our demo project with Visual Studio Code, also the Android Studio. I believe you can capable to install this process, and yeah, I believe you will reach this process in here. Thank you so much, everyone. We will see in the next live, inshallah. Thank you so much.